I'm so excited to open this package from Pensachi. This only took 9 days to reach me, so it came really fast because I selected DHL shipping, which is only $2 more than the standard Japan Post shipping. So yeah, let's open it. This is really cute. They gave us a little note. Oh, that's so cute. This is the star of the show. I'm so excited. Okay, let's open her up. Wow, beautiful. I'm really excited about getting this box too because I know the other American distributors for this. This pen came in a white cardboard box, and since I was going to be spending a fair amount on this pen, I'm glad that I got something nice to keep it in as well. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so this is the converter, and I had to purchase this separately, so I did get a better price on it since I was purchasing this pen, but this converter was about $4.90, so about $5 off of Pensachi. Wow, that glitter. Let's open up and see the nib. Wow, stunning. Here, let's use this as a background. Gorgeous. As you can see, it says 14K 1911. It has some beautiful schoolwork. And it's a hard medium fine, which is the only thing that the fairy tale series line comes with. Most of their special editions only come in the hard medium fine. So stunning. I don't even have words to express how beautiful this pen is. It is definitely prettier in person than in most of the pictures that I've seen. It's really, really gorgeous, and the feel in the hands is really nice too. I think it is made out of a resin, and it is pretty light, which I actually like. Beautiful. This is my favorite color. It's a light mint green with a gold trim and a gold glitter, so I absolutely love it. Okay. Also in here, yes, it comes with 2 Sailor ink cartridges, which is very nice. I've heard that the ink cartridges actually have a better ink capacity than the converter, so that's interesting. But also you can refill these, so that's really nice. And then it comes with these 2 information packets, but I don't really think I'll be needing these right now. Oh, by the way, with this converter, the silver hardware only comes with the white knob, and the gold hardware only comes with the black knob. So if you are buying a demonstrator, you could have some issues with that, but yeah. So I guess I can just show you guys how to install the cartridge. Also, this is a really nice soft material. You could definitely just keep your pen stored here if you don't have that many and you have a decent amount of space. I'll just leave that there for now. Roll this up. So just pop this out of the plastic, and you can see, I always have inky fingers. Okay. So all you do is twist off this section. She's rolling away. Okay. And then all you have to do is just pop it in there. Just push it in and there you go. Voila, beautiful. Gorgeous. It is a smaller size. This is the Sailor Pro Gear Slim, but since I have tiny hands, it fits into my hands perfectly, and I could write with this unposted beautifully. So I really think I'm gonna enjoy this pen a lot, and I will be doing a review, so stay in tuned for that. The only other thing I ordered off of Pensachi was this Tomoe River paper. I've heard so many good things about it, and I really did want some paper to show off the properties of my ink, because sometimes cheap paper doesn't really show that, especially with shimmering inks. So I wanted to invest in some of this good paper. I was thinking about finding my own notebook, and I wanted to use this for my ink swatches as well. So I'm very excited for this. So this is it for this unboxing. It was pretty little, but to talk about Pensachi a little bit, they are a Japanese retailer for these fine writing supplies. So they sell a bunch of Japanese brands, so they do offer them at a discount just because the North American market does mark up the products a little bit, which is completely understandable. But if you are on a budget and you would like to try to save some money, then I think Pensachi is a good way to go. They do still mark up the price substantially from the actual Japanese market, but since the website's in English, everything's just a lot easier use. So I thought their service was pretty good. If you're emailing them, I don't know if their customer service is going to be that good, but my package did get delivered in a very timely manner, and all of my products are here and safe and non-damaged, so I'm very happy. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I helped you out in some way or form, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.